Welcome friends. Today we'll be discussing causes of diminished soil fertility. First cause is soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8. What is soil pH? Soil pH is nothing but the measure of acidity of soil. Soil pH should be between 6 and 8. Second cause is low proportion of organic matter in soil. So what is the organic matter in soil? It is nothing but the plant and animal detritus at various stages of decomposition. So if there is sufficient amount of organic matter in the soil, then it will improve the quality of soil as well as the water holding capacity. Third cause is no proper drainage of water. If there is water logging in the farm, then fertility of soil will decrease. Fourth cause is repeated cultivation of the same crop. If same crop is repeatedly cultivated, then it might take out the same type of nutrient from the soil, and over the period of time fertility of the soil will decrease. Fifth cause is continuous use of saline water. Sixth cause is excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So excessive use of these things might kill the useful organisms from the soil, and it will also lower the quality of crop. So this will be all about the causes. Now here some additional points are given. Soil texture is disturbed if chemical fertilizers are used excessively and that land becomes unsuitable for sowing. Crops should be rotated in order to maintain the fertility of land. So rotation of crops is recommended, and here one example is given. For example, the fertility of land decreases after harvesting of wheat. Hence, the leguminous crops like peanut, moong, pea, lentil, Bengal gram, soya bean should be cultivated to restore the fertility of the soil. So these types of crops such as peanut crop will maintain the nitrogen level in the soil. The roots of these types of crop will go deep into the soil and bring the various types of nutrients to the surface of the soil. After decomposition of these crops, they release the nitrogen. That way the nitrogen level in the soil is maintained, and because of that the farm will be ready for farming of the or the cultivation of the wheat crop. Okay, now World Soil Day is celebrated on 5th of December, and it is celebrated to make the efforts of conservation of soil. We can conserve the soil or improve the quality of soil by planting more trees and reducing the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So this will be all about the fertility of the soil. Thank you for watching.